Hey, it's Ryan from Upfit Supply, and we just finished installing our DuraTherm ceiling liners from Legend in the back of our Ford Transit Connect long wheelbase. And if you're not familiar with these liners, what they actually do is they protect your van. So if you have a cargo van and there's nothing here, you just have the exposed sheet metal that is essentially the exterior of the van. And as you load in tools and equipment, a piece of lumber nicks that sheet metal, it dents it, paint flecks away, rust, all of that. And so these liners actually protect the van from any damage that could happen. Now these liners actually have a layer of insulation. There's a layer of foil and then insulation and then this plastic liner. And what that does is it cuts down significantly on road noise, as well as helps control the temperature in the back of the van. So it's not a hot box or a cold box depending on the weather. Now these liners are 0.4 inches thick, and they do provide an R value of 4 to 6. You can also fit insulation behind these because these mount just to that center cross member here and then to the back there, and they slide under the headliner here. But there's some pretty big cavities, in this area that you could stuff insulation behind. Now you can purchase these liners with or without these diamond plate aluminum ceiling sills. These just attach with self-threading screws. They create a beautiful transition between the wall and the ceiling on the vehicle. Installation is a breeze. It just slides under the headliner up front. You've got 4 push pin plastic clips that hold it in the middle, and then 5 in the rear. The liners are available in a textured gray finish or in a flat white finish, and they include everything you need to install it in the back of the van, including any push pins, clips, or self-threading screws, and plastic caps. Now, if you're looking for these ceiling liners or any other equipment to upfit your van so that it's work ready, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. And my name is Ryan, and have a good one.